back to my channel. So today I'm really excited to show you a Japanese garden here in California. This garden, because of COVID, does have limited tickets available each day. So what you'll want to do is the tickets get released 10 days in advance and you'll want to go online and book them right away, because I tried booking them like 2 days in advance and they were all sold out. So I really think it's that limited to get in here. So I recommend 10 days out from the day that you actually want to go to the garden to check availability for the tickets and get them right away. It was really easy to get in. It's a really small parking lot. Our appointment is at 10 a.m. and then you get a 1 hour time slot to explore and just take in the garden. Again, they are a little bit strict about that, but I do think it's because they just want to make sure it's not too busy and too crowded and just make sure everyone just has enough room to really walk around and take in everything. Oh, there's a bunch of other ducks over there. Oh, what's up? The gardens here are so peaceful, and it's kind of nice that they have the time reservations because it's not that crowded, not that many people walking around, and you can really just take everything in. I will say there's a lot of different bird species and it's really nice to see them in their element, just living their lives, you know. Yeah, if you just need an escape from the city life or just want to take a mindful walk, this is definitely a place to go. This is the tea house. That is closed right now because of COVID stuff, but hopefully soon they'll open it again. Oh, there's hummingbird over there. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a lot of fish in there. So many little fishies. Even tinier ones over here. I can't. They're so stinking cute. There's Mom. Mom and her two babies. There's so many little families. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, this little duck. Oh. Alright guys, well that is it for this Japanese garden tour. It was so nice and really peaceful. We went to the garden, so right now it is mid-May and there are so many little ducklings and little families, like little bird families everywhere. It was so cute. It was really peaceful. I'm really sad that there's an hour time limit, but it goes by really fast because there really is a lot to see, especially if you like animals and nature. It's just so peaceful and calming just to walk around here. So a couple of tips for you would be to, again, get your reservations early. Remember, 10 days in advance. Wear good walking shoes, not sandals. I wore closed-toed sandals, but they had like holes on the side, so I got sand in it. So not again. I know. Wear tennis shoes when you come here. Yeah, I don't know. Everyone was really nice, really helpful. Yeah. All right. Well, you guys should definitely check this out. Again, this place is in Van Nuys. It's really beautiful. Go check it out. All right. Well, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you know when new videos are available. All right. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.